Dear learner, after watching this video, you will be able to know different Latin terms and abbreviation used for different dosage form. These Latin terms are useful for doctor, dentist, nurses and pharmacists. These terms are used for making the pharmaceutical preparation. First, pulvis. In English, it is called as powder and shortly abbreviated as pulv. Solutio. In English, it is a solution and abbreviation is sol. Suppositorium. In English, it is called as suppository. Tabella or tableta. In English, it is called as tablet. You have seen many prescription that doctor to tablet shortly written as tab. Unguentum and ointment shortly it is written as UNG. Hostus. In English it is called as draught and abbreviated as HT. Draught means a single oral dose preparation. Injectis. In English it is a injection and abbreviated as a inject INJ. You have seen in many prescription that injection is shortly written as INJ. Insufflatio. In English it is called as insufflation and abbreviated as insnuff. Linctus. In Latin as well as the English, linctus is called as linctus and abbreviated as lin. Linimentum. In English it is called as liniment and shortly abbreviated as a lin. Liquor. In English it is called as solution and abbreviation is a leak. Solutio means also the solution and liquor means also the solution. Lotio. In English it is called as lotion and in abbreviation is lot. Mixtura. In English it is called as mixture and abbreviation is capital M or MIST, mist. Nastril. In English it is a nasal drops and abbreviation is narist. Next, nebula. It is in English called as spray solution and abbreviation is neb. Oleum. In English it is called as oil and abbreviation oleo. Pasta. In English it is called as paste and abbreviation is PAST. Pilula. In English it is a pill and abbreviation is PIL. Oristil. In English it is the ear drops and abbreviation is AURISTILL. Next, capsula. In English it is a capsule and abbreviation is caps. In many preparation or many prescription you have seen that it is written shortly as a caps. Cataplasma. In English it is a poultice and abbreviation is cataplasm. Poultice is the preparation which is externally used to reduce the inflammation, pain. Charata. In English it is a powder and abbreviation is chart. Pulvis means also a powder. Then colutorium. In English it is a mouthwash and abbreviation is colute. Collyrium. In English it is an eye wash or eye lotion and abbreviation is COLLYR. Next, creamer. In English it is a cream and abbreviation is CREM. Next, emulsio and in English it is a emulsion. Abbreviation is emul. Gargarisma. In English it is a gargle abbreviation is GARG. Then Good-Day, it is in English drops and abbreviation is GTT. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will definitely helpful to use different Latin terms while reading prescription and making pharmaceutical preparation.